All right, so this is a the Boxy Hermes 3000. I straightened out this bail rod. I don't know what else to call this. Um, but it was bent on this side, and I have it coming through the hole here. The only problem is over here. Um, I can lift it and you can see it's not connected where it needs to be. I can take it to like some metal fabricators and see if they can do like a little spot weld for me. I don't know how much they charge me. I'd be like, just put a little bit there and just man, I might JB weld it and like hold it. I have no clue, but that's the only thing stopping that from being fixed. I had to bend this one. This button was like destroyed, just like this here. This was just decimated over here, like it. Yeah. So this button was screwed. It was, but now it wasn't working at all. Now it is, after some good old pliers, and then I was shaved off some of the markings there. But all in all, I think just some cosmetic issues with the plastic sides here. Like these Boxy Hermes, they had plastic pieces here instead of metal, and that's fine. I'm not knocking it. It's still one of the greatest freaking typewriters, but it works now. That was easy. Only took me 2 hours, I guess.